everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get the Fox ship in Geometry Dash. So we'll start with the first step, which is to navigate to ship icons. So just open your Geometry Dash application, go to your icon kit, and navigate to the ship icon section where you can see all your unlocked and locked ships design. So just look for the Fox ship in the grid. So just a pro tip, the Fox ship has a distinctive orange color, so keep an eye out for it. Now for step number 2 is to find the Fox vault rather. So just go to the treasure room and look for a special Fox themed vault. So this secret vault is decorated with glowing fox statue and a chest with a paw print symbol, just like this one. So just a pro tip, the Fox vault may be hidden, so you can try tapping around the treasure room area till you find it. Now next is enter the secret code. So you can tap on the chest to open the code entry screen, and a virtual keyboard will appear where you can type the secret Fox code. So you just have to enter the code carefully to unlock the Fox ship. Now just a pro tip, the code is case sensitive, so make sure to type it as exactly as required. Fourth is to celebrate your unlock success. After entering the correct code, you will see a celebration screen with confetti as the cute Geometry Fox icon is revealed, just like this one. So the unlocked banner confirms your new ship. And you can now equip your Fox ship, so you can go back to the icon kit and then navigate to the ships and find the newly unlocked Fox ship and select it to equip. Now your Fox ship is now ready to soar through levels. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!